5 Steps to Better, Easier Expense Tracking by Paul Schmidt. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you we've got it pretty good. Here in the third decade of the 21st century, life for the everyday, garden variety, friendly neighborhood voice actor ain't bad as things go. Take, for example, the mundane yet highly necessary task of tracking one's business expenses. Our forefathers and foremothers back in the 19th century had to rise before dawn, head out in the pitch dark to the barn, often in the snow, to fire up the old steam-powered expense tracker. Heck, even to shovel the coal was a chore that would make the average modern-day voice actor shudder. At the turn of the 20th century, gas-powered models, the earliest with a kickstart, began to handle the work and make the voice actor's life tolerable but still arduous. The post-World War II era ushered in sleeker, more modern and comfortable models, some with AM radios built right in. Today, in the digital era of the 21st century, modern life is quite easy. Expense tracking has never been simpler or easier. No lasers, quantum time leaps, or artificial intelligence required. In fact, all stupid extended metaphors aside, tracking your expenses to the last penny takes a little work to set up, but can be semi-automated to save you a ton of time and work in the long run. First, we'll assume that you're using online accounting software. If you aren't, get it. I use QuickBooks Self-Employed, but there are others that essentially do the same job. Step 1 is to connect all your accounts, checking, debit cards, credit cards, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, and any others to your accounting software. This way, every transaction is logged in your accounting software with literally no effort required by you. Step 2. Make sure every purchase you make, both recurring expenses and one-offs, generates receipts emailed to yourself. If you have your own custom domain, you can even set up an email address to receive receipts, something like receipts@yourdomain.com. Step 3. Set up a file system for your receipts. As receipts come in, save them as a PDF with the date and vendor name. For example, 03-01 squarespace.pdf, and file them in the receipts folder for that month. For example, 2022-03. Step 4. At the end of the month, go through your accounting software, assign all your transactions to business or personal, expense or income, and any transfers. In most software, you can even set up rules that will automatically categorize transactions for you as they come in, further saving you time and effort in the long run. Then for your business expenses, attach and upload the corresponding receipts, which are already neatly filed and organized by transaction date in your receipts folder, so you know exactly where to find them. If you forgot to file one, your original should still be in your receipts email folder, which is why you collect them all there first. It's a great backup. Step 5. At the end of the year, repeat Step 4 for December. Then you can generate your profit and loss report, P&L, download your receipts file, and generate your Schedule C for your accountant or tax preparer. Some software allows you to give secure access to your accountant so that they can generate the reports they need. Having all of this information organized will save you and your accountant come tax time. You'll have a clear understanding month to month of where every penny is going and what your profit and loss situation is, which will better inform your spending decisions on an ongoing basis. I'm a firm believer that knowing your numbers is crucial to running your business. We're here to make a profit. We can't do that if we don't know where the money is going. Tracking your expenses doesn't have to be hard labor. It's the 21st century, and we've got it pretty good after all.